Hey Paint Branch, it's Tish Azevedo, and now we're out to find out what's the most annoying sound. Let's hear them.
Most annoying sound is somebody smacking their food. Like, I cannot stand that.
What? 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 I'm not eating any chips.
Kiana reads chewing when she chews. She doesn't know how to close her mouth and chew.
London starts screeching in first period like,
When Miss Gafford still say something and then she'll be like, sweetheart.
Walking down the halls, listening to all these ignorant students.
Hey, sing real quick.
Alright, Paint Branch, I think we know what the most annoying sound is. This is Tish Azevedo reporting for WPBH News.